Good morning, everyone. Today, I thought I would talk to you a little bit about chainsaws. We're gonna look at the parts of a chainsaw and how to maintain a chainsaw, and then I'm going to show you how a chainsaw works and how it cuts. Hopefully, we can get this done before it starts raining, because I think the rain is coming. Okay, and here we have 3 different chainsaws. This is a Tanaka, which we're going to use today. This is a battery-operated Black & Decker chainsaw. It's a small one. This is a Husqvarna chainsaw. This is a really high-quality chainsaw. But I think we're going to try and use this Tanaka today. Let's go ahead and take this off and see how it looks. Oh, these are the teeth of the chainsaw. Very, very sharp. Now a chainsaw also needs gas for the engine and oil for the chain. Here we have our gas and chain oil. How's our gas doing? A little bit of gas in there, maybe enough for what we're going to do today. How about our chain oil? It looks a little bit empty. I think we're going to have to add a little bit of oil in there quickly as it's raining. This is the oil, and we'll go ahead and put some oil in here. Glug, glug, glug. Let's get this cap on. Start this chainsaw up. That's the choke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the gas in the carburetor. Turn this on. Let's see if it starts. There it is. Nice clean cut. You can even see the rings inside tell you how old the tree is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about chainsaws. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.